doke. I did the video of this particular piece. I'll maybe put it on back to front this time. I'll put the start of the video at the end because I've already released the video and I wasn't going to do any more to it. I was going to keep it as is, but I decided that I will push on like was the original plan and do some more to this piece. It is quite a lovely piece, but as you'll see in the video how I created it to this stage, it's on my turntable and I just really wanted to put some colour in it, so I am really putting some colour in it. So I'm going with my, it's called wicker, but it's cool or warm yellow. Rightio. So I'm going to put a bit of the Berry Delicious in here. I'm going to put some Champagne Gold. Oh, that came out a bit fast. I'm going to put a touch of magenta. See what we get. I might add a little dash of white. I'm just hoping that I don't ruin the whole thing, but you know, if I do, I just tried to do something, and you've got to do these experiments to see if they work, you know, otherwise you never, if you don't explore. Rightio, I'm going to blow them out. So let's see how this goes. Wish me luck, wish me luck. I might blow over the light colour first. I don't think I'm going to blow down that way as well. I think I may use my chopsticky thing. Maybe I can embellish it more when it's dried. I think that is gorgeous. That is just gorgeous on its own. That's gorgeous on its own. I'm happy with that. I'll just whiz it over with my heat gun. I have to bring you down to have a look at this because it is really lovely close up, and I know that you won't be seeing that from the camera. So I'll give you a close up. So there you go. It's really gorgeous. I think it's sweet, very sweet. I'm glad that I didn't blow down. that worked well, just doing the blow up. And then I've still got that gorgeous lacing in there. Look at this lacing in this. And the lacing in the actual background is beaut. So I definitely might do this on a, I mean, I've done this loads of times before, doing a lacy background for a different, whether it be balloon kisses or blowout or Dutch pour. But this is super gorgeous. Fingers crossed that it dries lovely. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's another little idea for you. Remember, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. It's just to bring some ideas to your mind, whether you're artistic or not. You put your swing on it. But I think that's super sweet, and I'm pretty sure it will dry lovely with a coat of resin or a gloss finish. It'll just pop. But there is links down below for resin coating and varnishing, because I know lots of people ask me that. So there you go, something different. Hope you enjoyed it. Please join me again tomorrow. I am so grateful that you do, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Bye for now, my lovelies. Welcome, it's Gillykube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing this round canvas. It is it's a 40 centimetre diameter, and I'm putting it on my spinner, and on the top of my spinner I've put a shower cap to keep the spinner clean. It was just a spinner I got from a local home store, so I didn't get it from anywhere special. So I put my tray on top of there, which has got, this is just a cake tray, it's got those two knobbly bits, and it actually is really good at helping it stop spinning off. But I'll put it on there, so I'm not going to spin it fast, I don't think, but I think maybe I better add just a couple of pieces of masking tape to kind of let the canvas sit, grip onto the tray underneath. Whether it'll work or not, I have all hope that it will, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just to try and give it a little bit of stability, as you try to do. Everybody needs stability. There you go. So looks good to me. Ooh, it's going really fast. Okay, so that's that, and I am going to maybe use some earthy colours with some metallics. So I will just go for gold today. Yeah, I'm going to put some gold in it, and I'll try and do a split canvas. So keeping the canvas two colours. So we'll give this a go. So I hope I'm finding you guys all well and good, and not feeling too sad or lonely. Remember, I always say go, please ring a helpline if you're feeling particularly sad or lonely. Don't suffer in silence. So I'm using these little silicone reusable cups. So stop wastage, and the little spatulas are all reusable. You just allow the paint to dry on them, in fact, and peel the paint off. Or if you want to use your cups quickly again, I just wipe them out. So this is a metallic bronze, and I'm thinking that this might not cover as well as I'd hoped, but I just wanted to I'll see how it goes. I might have to blow that paint around. See how it goes. Let's see if I can just blow it so it covers nicely. Covers the edges. Quite therapeutic just doing that alone. So that's the metallic on that side, and I've got a sand colour for this side. Now I'm thinking that I probably should have made a what you call it, a burnt umber. I don't think I've got burnt umber mixed. I've got golds, but we'll see. Maybe it does need something more to lift the colour. So I'm not too worried if I get it mixed. It's definitely doing the split colours. I think I'll do the same again with my sand colour. Is just to blow it off so as it covers it more evenly, I guess. Baby blower, it's called a baby Baileys, but I actually got it for $4 from a charity shop. So I know loads of people always ask me every time I use it. Now I just want to try something with this. I want to do a background as well, so it's kind of using the black Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. You'll kind of get my gist in a minute, hopefully. Let's see if I can get this to happen. Rightio, I'm going to give it a swipe. That's beautiful. That is gorgeous. I hope that can get close up of that. Wowzers, trousers! That's what's good about the spinner, isn't it? That you can take it whichever way you fancy. That's gorgeous, actually. Now, I'm not sure what the black will look like over the metallic, but I just want to dry, add some heat to bring up my cells. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous just on its own. Really beautiful cells. This metallic copper is transparent, and you can see I can see on the side of the canvas. It's not really covering the canvas because it's transparent, but I'll give it a red hot go. See if I can get something nice out of this. Let's try this black. See if the black's swiped in there. Oh yes, that looks nice too. Looks pretty nice, just on its own, like a yin and a yangy thing. A yin and a yangy thing. that. That's really nice. Okay. I probably shouldn't change that now. I was gonna do something else with that, but it looks so nice. Wow. That is lovely. I think that is so simple and so minimalistic, but it looks so effective with a coat of resin on that. I think it's going to be a winner-winner. I think it's going to be a winner-winner chicken dinner. What do you guys think? Should I do any further with it, or shall I just leave it? I think I'm going to allow it to dry, and I might actually paint around the border of the canvas in black because it needs coating. This is transparent paint. The metallic copper is, and I can see that that's not going to cover that canvas on the edges, so I might just go over that. But it is like a yingy yangy thing. I don't know all about those things, but yings and yangs. It is a very minimalistic, a very super sweet, easy thing to do. So I'll let you be the judge and tell me, should I add anything, or will I add anything in a future video? Okay, my lovelies, please take care of yourself in these uncertain times. If you are sad, lonely, please ring a family member, a friend, or a helpline, or do something that gives you joy. My lovelies, I will say bye for now. Just wanted to bring you guys down and just have a look at the close-up effects of this super gorgeous Lacey cell structure in it. Super gorgeous. I couldn't be more happier with just that simple black swiped over the sand colour and the metallic copper. Look at that. I mean, this is really awesome for a background, but it looks so effective as it is. I mean, I was going to do some blown flowers over that, and I still may do. I just let it dry off a little bit and see really what I feel is best for it.